Welcome to Geffin's weather report. Today in Porthcawl, the Titanic waters has decided to say hello. Let's go check them out. Shall we, Dad?
Yep.
Yes, as you can see, it is Titanic waters right now. If we jumped in there, we would die. Alright, I'm gonna flip and look. The Titanic waters are calm. I know the audio is probably terrible, but it's very windy out. Titanic waters just wanted to say hello. Hello, Titanic waters. Also subscribe if you want to see more of Geffin's weather report. Yes, there were some really big waves coming in. And there is slowly water explosions. As you can see, the marks are down there. So that's why we are very far away from these Titanic waters. Oh no, they seem to be rising. They seem to be rising. We might have to back up a little bit. Yep, look at that. Oh look. Oh no. We are...
Call the phone watch on the sea.
I know. Jesus, look at that foam. You know, if you want to die, then come to Porthcawl today in Bridgend. Now we're just going to stand here and just watch the waves. That's what could have killed us. If we were standing on the edge, we would get soaked. I would die if we were standing on the edge.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Yeah, we're not doing that. We don't want to die. So, yeah. Now it seems the waves are calming down. But they're still pretty bad. Oh, God. Seems the Titanic waters are coming down. Doesn't it look like it? So you think we could go closer? So it seems the tide is going in now. Alright, we are just going to walk up to see other waves. Oh no! They just hit me! Yeah, Dad, we need to be careful.
What's that?
Some water splashed me. Be scared now. Dad, we stay here for the next 6 minutes. Alright? We're just going to make this a 10-minute video. I know this video is going to be very short, but sure. So don't question why I'm using a different accent. Stop. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's a little duck. Is that a duck or is that a seagull, Dad? Is that a duck or a seagull? I don't know. That looks like a duck. So Dad. Should we just stand here? Dad, can we stay here for 5 more minutes?
Yeah, why don't we sit on for now? I can't sit down.
Okay. Also, please also like and subscribe so I don't die to the Titanic waters. Oh, good. If you want to see more weather reports, like and subscribe. Because if you subscribe, I will do more weather reports. Oh no! There seems to be a person in the... There's a person in the Titanic waters right now! Look at it! Look at her! She is being very stupid right now. She really wants to die. Oh, look at that big explosion. Jesus Christ. They're not going that crazy now, but... And that girl is still in the water. Why is she there? She could die in the Titanic waters. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more getting weather reports. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.